guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogtober date. And today I got some fabulous, wonderful, funny, sexy, crafty, creative Halloween costumes for y'all. So I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for the video because low-key I'm getting dressed through them, so we're gonna be picking out the outfits together. Yeah. And if you've seen the thumbnail, then you kind of know what the costumes are. But stay tuned, let's watch the videos. If you're new, make sure you guys subscribe and put your post notifications on because you don't want to miss a single day of Vlogtober. We're posting every single day and we've been consistent with it. So are you ready for the video today? Because I am. Alright, let's just go. Let's just get into the video. Yeah, my Halloween costumes have finally came and I'm mad excited to try them on. So this is the one that I was like, it's gonna be my like kind of costume. Obviously from all black, y'all cannot tell, but let me start getting into the details so y'all know what I'm really talking about. First up, we got these horns. And yes, if you have not guessed from the horns already, Maleficent, yes. This piece I got from Shein. Every year I say I want to do Maleficent, and I be having like one piece. But this year, I think I did my big one. The only thing I really need to know how to do for real is my makeup when it comes to this. But I have some other accessories to add to make it look a little bit more dramatic. And what do you think? Should I add like stockings to this costume so it gives like a little bit more pizzazz? Because I said I was trying to get like sexy for this one. I have a funny one. I cannot wait to try that one on though. I have a funny one, but this one's supposed to be like my main costume, like Halloween party. Like, we about to get down and dirty. We about to be dancing and all that. Also, don't know for heels if I should go black or silver, but we got both options. I got some gloves. These gloves are also from Shein, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, let me just give the outfit details. The horns, these are from Pretty Little Thing. Feathers from Shein. The corset, I got this from Amazon a while back, but I feel like it's so easy to find these. And the shorts are also from Shein. Now these gloves, yes, and these are from Shein too. But this is just to make it look a little bit more grits. Yeah. I mean business. I know that when it's actually time for the parties, I'm gonna accessorize a lot more. I don't know where I'm going yet, but I know the plans will find me because Halloween in New York is low-key mad lit. I never even knew that. Just had to fix it up a little bit so that it looks like something for real. But I'm feeling it. I had to pull my hair back just to give like the full effect. I feel like without the blonde showing, it really gives like. I decided that if I don't want to do the fishnet stockings, these little heels right here will be perfect. Look. And the heels are from Pretty Little Thing. I'm eating up this costume right now. Half my butt is out, like it's giving sexy. But I just know like these are one of the costumes like I'm gonna have to take a couple shots so I have the confidence to walk outside in this. I had these heels for like 2 years now, and I was like, I never have an outfit to wear with them. Finally. Yeah. Nah, I'm messing with this one. I'm rocking with this costume. I like this. I love this. And then if I want to wear a purse, I could just put on my little black Marjaka. Period. So this is costume number 1. Giving the girls Maleficence. Period. I ate this. Nah, I'm hype. I got my costumes early this year. I never go this hard for Halloween, but this is my little like sexy costume. I got 2 funny ones for y'all though. If y'all are ready. Costume number 1. Let's go into costume number 2. No, costume number 2. I promise y'all from the moment it arrived at my door, because this was like the literal first one, I started cracking up laughing like No. This is the best costume right here. This is the best costume. Like, I know like the Maleficent one is giving like grown and sexy, but I just know this one is more my vibe. Like, from the packaging, can you guess what this is? Not a cross guard. But this safety cone. Oh my god. And you know what made it worse? I seen the model with the silver boots and I was like, yo, I have the whole outfit, like I have silver boots at home. These are the silver boots, like this is about to eat so hard. Are they the same silver? basically are. Look at how close the silvers match. I'm getting lost. Wait, is my head too big for the costume? Is this part supposed to be up here? It does need a little ironing. This outfit will see the light of day. We gotta bend this so it gives cutesy like a little peplum bottom. This one is from Shein though. And the thing is, this wasn't originally in my cart. I was going for like a basic witch outfit or something, and then I seen this and I was like, I just gotta have it. Like, this costume was literally made for me. Obviously not in this condition. It's been in the bag for too long. But as soon as I iron this bad boy, nobody's not telling me nothing. Let's add the heels. When they be like, which kind of Halloween person are you? The heels definitely make it look sexy. I'm gonna put it right here for y'all because I know y'all can't see for real. Let me look. Bro, what? You can't tell me I don't look like I'm the baddest. Me stopping traffic, literally. Whoa. I'm gonna be sitting there like this in the middle of the street. Yo, imagine everybody drunk outside and you're like, whoa, 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 you can't cross. Or do you think somebody, if I like disguise myself as one of the cones and then get up, people will notice, like from the back? Is that crazy? This one is my favorite so far. We're gonna go on to one that it wasn't meant to be a costume, but I think it might be cute. I just got the pieces, but the corset itself is just eating. This corset, right? On the details on it, literally 2T. Like when I bought this originally, I was going for like, I don't know, like a rock star look, but I did not think the corset was gonna look this nice. Then when I tried it on, like even the little hooks and details on it, I was like, this would go cute for a Halloween costume. And I know y'all be saying like, oh, it's played out, corset, 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 but like, look at this chain. Look at the buttons on it. Look at the buttons on it. It has this lace back. So this is a corset with the tights, right? And I just think they're so cute. It has the little fluffy bottom to it. Then this, bro, it's literally cinched. Like even down to the little side, I'm like, yeah. And then the back, T, right? But I feel like it was a little bit plain. So I had like two options. We're gonna build this as I go because I just had it in my mind, but I wasn't really sure how it would look together. The first option was I have this little scarf, right? And you know, like you could just like tie it to give it a little bit more depth. Like I feel like when it comes to pirates, it's like the more stuff you have on, the better. Like if I throw this on this belt, or I was saying if I should put the skirt over the tights. This was a skirt. I tried on with the top and the skirt alone, and I was like, this is cute, but I don't know if it gives pirates, but maybe with the leggings, it might do it for realsies. I think I actually like it with the leggings and the skirt. I don't know if this is too much, if this is too little, if this just looks crazy. I'm not gonna lie, this is not 100% no for me. We gonna just keep adding stuff. You know what else I was thinking? If I had like a fluffy white top, that would have been so cute. But I think I would have been too hot in that actually. We can definitely add these gloves that I stole again from the Maleficent outfits. I need like some lace or fishnet to put on my sleeves too. That would be so cute. This might be like a thin line between a rock star and pirate at this point. And I need a like bandana. I think I have a black one. I gotta check. But these boots, oh my gosh, I don't know if y'all remember these boots. Y'all probably wouldn't because I never posted like anything from me crossing when I was a Delta. But these are my nip heels, and in y'all terms, it would be a probate. But new initiative presentation. These were the boots that they had us wearing to hell. I don't think I've worn them since. Do pirates wear socks? I think what I'm missing is a bunch of jewelry. Without the jewelry, it just wouldn't give pirates at all. Come on, get on. Everything on. These bracelets are from like Boohoo, Shein. Next time I'll put the gloves on second. Boohoo, Shein. Pretty little thing, like it's a good mix. And then this necklace, perfect. This is a necklace I made at Brooklyn Charm. My I think of a pirate, I don't think of somebody who is like matchy-matchy. Okay, what am I missing? A scarf. I need a scarf. How about I do y'all one better? I got a scarf and I got a hat. I totally forgot about this hat. I wore this to death last year. I'm pretty sure this hat is from Pretty Little Thing. And then the scarf I got, this is definitely from somebody's beauty supply or my mother's drawer. Oh yes, this is giving pirate. If only I could fix the hat up a little bit. Not too much on me. Not too much. Do I put the scarf first? I think I put the scarf then the hats. Hold on. This was not even supposed to be in the rankings for a costume, but this is eating right now. If somebody has tips on how to unbend up a hat, let me know. I'm rocking with this. Get into the details, y'all. Get into the mother freaking details. Y'all, oh, should I add earrings so y'all have the full effect? Let me find something. Alright guys, final look. Bro, this eats so freaking bad. Hold on. Hold on. Not too much on me. That's how you know this stuff is real. Okay, y'all. Final look. Yeah. Nah, this one might be the best costume. It's yo, I swear it's always the stuff you did not plan to wear that just eats so bad. It just eats so bad. Why does it eat so bad? 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 Hey. Why does it eat so bad? Why does it eat so bad? I don't know. I don't. Man, I should have ended with this costume. Because when y'all see the last one, y'all gonna be like, that's why. It's why. That's big. Oh, and I just gotta show y'all real quick because it looks cute without the hat too. Like this one actually gives more and more pirates. But I feel like that, I don't know, is that a pirate hat or was that a cowboy hat? But anyway, this is cute, so I just want to show y'all both options. But yeah. Alrighty, this was the final costume I had. I only got this one because I'm supposed to be going on Uber Sofa Cruise, and Uber Sofa Cruise, one of the nights is like money heist, and I was like, I might as well get the jumpsuit now while it's Halloween. But other than that, I don't really think I'm gonna wear this costume. I feel like this one is very basic, but it will be cute like if you do it with like a group of people. And when I looked online, it said Squid Games or, well, it says Squid Games. It didn't say money heist. But I feel like this is one where I was like, depending on whatever mask you get, I can get away with it. But this one just gives like, I think it's a man's costume. Something about jumpsuits on me just feel like I'm in jail. Like, how do you make this look cute? Maybe zip it down. Like, I have a lace bra. I was like, if I want to wear it open, I feel like I'm trying too hard with this costume. But it does have a hood on it though. Where is it? Most of my costumes is given like I need to not have long hair, or I need like a bob or a short look. That pirate outfit I had on though, that would look so cute with a really short bob. Like curly, but it's like slick smooth. I know y'all be hating the bob, but I love a good bob. Now I think I might go and buy beyond for my birthday. But this is the money heist. Are these pockets real though? Yeah, the pockets are real. So a lot of stuff, a lot of places to store stuff. But other than that, without the mask, the outfit doesn't give anything at all. Yeah. But this was my last one. This was just like a throwaway one. This is because I needed it for multiple reasons. And it is Halloween weekend, so I low-key have 3 outfits. If there's a 4th one on a Monday or something, and people are going that hard, I got one for every single day. Oh, Thursday. Why didn't I think about that? I don't know if this might be a cute Thursday outfit. Well, Friday. I don't know. Anyways, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video because I had so much fun trying on my costumes. I'm waiting for them. I'm so happy that they're finally here. But comment down below which one was your favorite costume. Mine was obviously the pirate one, and then Maleficent. I thought Maleficent was gonna be my first one, but hey, it's okay. And obviously I'm gonna do a little bit more accessories for the other ones whenever I decide to wear them. But comment down below for real, which one was your favorite one? who are y'all gonna be for Halloween? Are y'all going out all the days for Halloween weekend? Are you? And yeah, give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe and put those post notifications on. I love you guys as usual, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.